Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage using Cartolina. First, gather your materials. You'll need several sheets of green Cartolina, a pair of sharp scissors, some reliable craft glue, and a pencil. Selecting different shades of green, like light and dark, will help your cabbage look more natural and vibrant. Make sure your crafting area is tidy and bright, ready for some fun paper artistry. Now, let's start shaping our cabbage leaves. Using your pencil, draw a variety of leaf shapes on your green Cartolina. Think about the natural curves and sizes of real cabbage leaves, some larger, some smaller. Carefully cut out about 10 to 12 leaves, ensuring a good mix of sizes. Also, cut a small, circular piece of Cartolina. This will serve as the central core for your cabbage. With your leaves cut, it's time to assemble our Cartolina cabbage. Start by taking your smallest leaves and carefully gluing them around the central circular core. Work your way outwards, gradually attaching the larger leaves. Overlap each leaf slightly to create a full, layered effect, just like a real cabbage. For extra realism, gently curl the edges of a few leaves to give them a natural, organic texture. To complete your Cartolina cabbage, take a moment to review your creation. Look for any areas that might appear a bit sparse or have noticeable gaps. If needed, simply cut and add a few more leaves to achieve the perfect fullness and shape. Once you're satisfied, your beautiful, handmade Cartolina cabbage is ready to be displayed. It's a simple and fun craft for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.